Hey guys, thought I'd do a video on how to tell if your carrier bearing is leaking on your lower gear unit on an outboard. It'll be the same for any manufacturer. So first you're going to want to hook up something to pressurize it with. I got this brake kit from Harbor Freight, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to hook it up, pump it up to 10 psi right here. And mine's actually leaking, so y'all get to see what it looks like when you've got an air leak. So there's about just over 10 psi hooked into my the vent port on the gear unit, and then you're gonna come around the back here after your prop is off and get some soapy water, some dish soap, shake it up, spray it in there real nice and good, and get a flashlight. And if you look in there, you'll see some air bubbles forming. Let me get some more dish soap in there. There you go. It's probably hard to see on the video, but there's bubbles forming back there with the dish soap. It's hard to get a good light in there with my camera here. See it? You see that? It's leaking. So I'm gonna be resealing this bad boy, but hopefully that helps somebody. FYI, this is a lower gear unit for my 1990 Evinrude 120. But I hope you guys get some help out of this video.